knew it. So that's where I came from. That's that dust storm. And then, you know, it's storming. And what do we have here? Blue skies. I knew it. We got a couple sprinkles. What's up, Raisin? But that dust storm over there on the other side of this thing, woo wee. All right, check this out. We got a rainbow, but it's a full rainbow. That's crazy. And then look, there's another one trying to form over there. It's gonna be a double rainbow. Come on. What does it mean? What does it mean? All right, so I got this set up. I went and got some compost because the compost that I'm gonna make from the chicken coop is not ready yet. This garden bed is gonna be pretty big. I'm about to mix this compost in and then cover it with more cocoa and try to wet it up more. I have no idea what I'm gonna plant in here yet. Well, got an idea over here. I added this drip line and then I'm gonna cover it after I put the compost. I already put the compost, but I'm gonna cover this. So I like to irrigate from the middle bottom. And that way I can ensure that this big bag of dirt stays moisturized. There's already perlite in there. There's my old soil from that bag in the corner right there. Don't mind the mess in the greenhouse. But yeah, so that's what's happening right now. This is how I fill it up. See, I acquired things from different businesses in Kingman. So I collect things and I have a lot of them, so upcycle. So that's how this goes. I got a bin full of cocoa. It was used for plants. And now it's used for more plants. Upcycle. What I did with the other things that I acquired, this side's not set up yet, but you can see what's gonna happen in a second. Bags of perlite, some more bags of cocoa. There is a Concord grape plant growing. It's gonna grow against that fence line once I do this side. But this side is a little bit thriving. What's up, Simba? What up, bro? So this side is doing a little bit good. I built this retaining wall a couple months ago. And I just threw bird seeds, honestly. No, well, I bought this rosemary and that rosemary. But I threw bird seeds because I have a bird feeder right there. I just threw them out to see what was going to happen and watered about these two. And things started growing, so I know I got some good soil going on with all this free cocoa. I even transplanted my tomato over here. It wasn't doing too good in the other garden bed that I'm gonna show you in a second, but this is how gardening's going out here. It's a sweet potato right there. I don't know what these are, I forgot, but it's a lot. It looks like a sunflower. Yeah, some cat grass growing. These things have holes. I fill them up with water. They keep gardening. I don't know if it's a little bit of water in that one left. But But you can tell the ground is nice and moist compared to some other. Let's see, over here it's all dusty, but yeah, the sunflower growing. So that's how this is going. This side will look like that side soon. Concord grape in its first year coming up. I got the solar panel with the water feeding. That barrel's full of water too, so I'm gonna switch that over soon. Just haven't found time yet, but we'll do it. That will be project side. After over there gets finished, this is gonna get done up real nice. I'm gonna build the pallets up there. This is gonna level out because it's on a slope right now. You can't see it, but I got the slope down. It's on a hill slope, so all of this is gonna get built up real nice like, and then it's gonna be level, so that I can plant trees in there just like how I did that. I only cut the pallets in half. This time I'm gonna use full pallets, just like that, and then fill it up with cocoa. Fill all of this up with cocoa. Not gonna cover this much. Put rocks around that, separate that area. It's gonna wrap around. Those bushes are gonna get done. Pine trees right there. I didn't grow that, that's natural. There's another one right there. But I'm gonna put my almond tree somewhere on this corner, right around the corner from the gym that will be built. Garden beds, these are going pretty good. Those are collards. It's another sweet potato, habanero, green onions everywhere. Got a couple worm bins in there. Then we got the eggplant, which is finally starting to produce. Yeah. More green onions. Got my basil little bush plant, doing good. Green onions are like my test thing. I put green onions grow, I know I could grow anything. This will be the aquaponics setup. Got cocoa everywhere. Yeah, the water will be bubbling down there. Flow up, flow back down. That's how that's gonna work out. Meanwhile, in the pots, another sweet potato, cacti, aloes. Over here, sweet potato start plant. I get those out of there soon. Aloe. More aloes, lemongrass down here. Simba, why you following me, bro? Almond tree. That's gonna go out there soon. It survived a lot. The cats tore it up. That's why we put this net around it.